In this video, I'll show you how to automate tasks with Google AI Studio in 2026. Google AI Studio can help you experiment with Gemini and create AI-powered workflows that can make certain repetitive tasks faster and more organized. Before you begin, think about a task you perform regularly. For example, you might want to summarize text, generate reports, organize information, create content drafts, or classify incoming requests. First, open your web browser on your PC or laptop and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account and open the workspace. Start by creating a new prompt or project. Clearly describe the task you want the AI to perform. For example, if you want to automate document summaries, tell Gemini what type of document it will receive, what information should be extracted, and how the final summary should be formatted. Next, test the prompt with several examples. Use different types of input to see whether the AI consistently produces the expected output. If the results are inconsistent, improve your instructions. Add context, examples, rules, or a specific output structure. For more complex automation, break the workflow into separate stages. One step could receive the input, another could analyze it, and a final step could create the formatted result. This approach makes the workflow easier to understand and troubleshoot. If you're connecting Google AI Studio to another application, you may need to use the Gemini API or other developer tools. Follow the current Google documentation for the appropriate integration method. When using APIs, keep your API keys and other credentials secure. Never place private keys directly in public source code. You should also add error handling to your automation. Not every input will be perfect, so your workflow should be able to handle missing, unexpected, or invalid information. Before using the automation in a real environment, test it thoroughly. Try normal requests, unusual inputs, incomplete information, and edge cases. For important tasks, keep a human review step where necessary. AI-generated results should not automatically be trusted for decisions where accuracy is critical. Finally, monitor your workflow after you start using it. Check whether it is actually saving time and whether the results remain consistent. And that's how you can automate tasks with Google AI Studio in 2026.